In this video, I'll guide you through how to find your cPanel username and password on Namecheap. If you've misplaced the original welcome email or you're just not sure where to look inside your account, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to log in, see your cPanel username, and update your password to something you'll remember. First, let's start from your Namecheap account dashboard. Go ahead and sign into your Namecheap account the way you normally do. Once you're logged in, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From that menu, look for the option labeled Hosting List. This is where Namecheap shows all the hosting plans associated with your account, and it's the section you'll be using to access cPanel. Click on Hosting List. After the page loads, you'll see a list of your active hosting services. Find the hosting account you want to manage. On the right side of that hosting row, you should see a button that says Go to cPanel. This button lets you log into cPanel automatically without typing any separate username or password. Click the Go to cPanel button. Namecheap will now log you into your cPanel account in a new tab or window. This automatic login is really convenient, especially if you don't remember your cPanel credentials or don't want to store them separately. Once you're inside cPanel, you'll notice a layout with different sections and icons. On the right-hand side of the screen, there's a sidebar labeled General Information. This area gives you a quick summary of key details about your hosting account. Take a moment to look there. In that General Information panel, find the line called Current User. The text next to current user is your cPanel username. This is the username you would use if you ever wanted to log in directly to cPanel without going through Namecheap, or if a developer or support technician asks for your cPanel username. It's a good idea to write this down or save it in a secure password manager so you don't have to look it up every time. Now let's talk about the cPanel password. You won't see the actual password displayed anywhere for security reasons, but you can change it very easily from this same sidebar. Still in the general information section, look for a link or option called Password and Security. This is the place where you manage your cPanel login password. Click on Password and Security. You'll be taken to a page where you can set a new password. This is especially helpful if you've lost the original password that was sent in your welcome email, or if you want to update it to something more secure. Follow the prompts on this page to enter your current password if required, and then type your new password. Make sure to choose something strong with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. If cPanel offers a password generator, you can use that and then store the generated password somewhere safe. After you've entered and confirmed your new password, save the changes. From this point on, your updated password is what you'll use whenever you need to log in directly to cPanel. And that's it. You've logged into cPanel from Namecheap, found your cPanel username in the general information sidebar, and learned how to change your password using the password and security option.